So I thought, what if I can run a Qwen3 tiny model locally on a mobile, but not just by typing text, but also an audio inference running as a foreground service, so I do not need to switch between apps to talk to my model, basically my own Apple Siri. And for that, I had to use some lightweight and power efficient wake word service which runs all the time listening for my wake word. Because running a full model before wakeword would consume a lot of energy. So for wakeword service, I used openWakeWord. Unfortunately, openWakeWord was not trained on my voice as it's trained on a synthetic voice. So I trained model on my voice. For training, I used Coqui TTS to generate around 1600 cloned synthetic audios from a single audio of mine. Then I use Muzan dataset which contains thousands of background noises and speeches that could act as a negative dataset. Once my model was trained, I switched to Android Studio and started wiring the things. For inference, I used Onyx runtime. Onyx is an open neural network exchange, so any format like PyTorch or TensorFlow can be converted to Onyx format and vice versa. As Android does not support background services anymore, I had to opt for foreground service, which simply keeps the notification for the service. Though I still have to change my voice a little because the dataset contains synthetic audios instead of my pure voice. So here it is. Hey Keto. Yes, I am listening. So the next phase is to record the subsequent audio and send it over to Qwen3 Tiny. I will keep you updated for that. Bye bye.